Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to go through how to color code or change color formatting of a column in SharePoint Online. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now because I regularly upload videos. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. This is your own channel. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, this is like modern view. So for a modern view of list, it's really easy to format columns. There are so many out of the box way, and also you can use some code in JSON to achieve your task. So for example, I have created a list. It's a simple list where I have a choice column, date column, yes, no column, numbers. So by default, what you can do, you can fill background color option for choice, date and yes no columns, and for numbers you can apply this background as well as the conditional formatting as well as bars. So we'll go through all of them in details. So let's start with this choice. So you see column settings, click on format this column. Now I have not added background color, but if you want I can add. You see it's changed all of a sudden. If I want to edit the style, I can change here. Like for example, this I want this color, I can select this. If the second choice is selected, I want this color, like this. So I have all sort of such flexibilities available for me that I want to do. And then I have conditional formatting, where based on the value rules I can add a rule, and I can like choose a column, and this could be other columns as well. Like based on the values from other columns we can define formatting for this. That I have already applied for this number column, so I'll show it to you. So this is really a great achievement and an easier way to do this. This is like and you have an advanced mode where you can add the JSON, and then you can do it on your own. So it's very simple. Similarly for date, if I see, I have this format dates. So based on comparison with today's date, it is coming. If the day is before, do this. If the day is today, do this. If the day is like, you can do all sorts of combinations, and in advanced mode you can again make the changes. That's a good thing. Conditional formatting we are going to see in these numbers. Let's see the radio, for which what options we have got. Format this column. If I go format yes and no, see conditional formatting again I am going to show you. So if I go for some other type, for example title, again I have this format option, and I can do conditional formatting. I can write something rules and do it. So this conditional formatting is common. Now for numbers I have some more options, like I can use data bars, I can edit the template, and then I can set it, color, positive values, all such things I can set over here. And conditional formatting I'll show you, manage rules. So I have already set, if sample is the number is greater than this, do this, otherwise this. So I have already done that, so you can see it, the numbers are greater than that, so you see this, otherwise this. So that's how simple it is guys. So I hope you're gonna like this video. If you still have any concern, any question, anything, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching.